The peacock is a symbol of grace and beauty, admired for its vibrant, iridescent feathers. Its elegant posture, with a tall neck and striking ears, adds to its royal presence. During monsoon, the peacock performs a mesmerizing dance, spreading its magnificent tail like a fan. His dance, full of rhythm and charm, captures the essence of nature's artistry, making the peacock one of the most beautiful birds in the world. The hummingbird speaks through its graceful dance, wings fluttering in rapid rhythm, hovering midair like a whisper. Swift, delicate movements express elegance, charm, and nature's silent, poetic language. The parrot wins everyone's heart with his unique speech style. His extraordinary ability to imitate human speech and sounds makes him special. His colorful feathers, gentle gaze and rhythmic dance add a new dimension to the beauty of nature. His playful nature, sweet voice and playful manner make him a symbol of joy to everyone, which makes the mind cheerful when he sees him. The gancho bird attracts the attention with its calm and sweet vocalization. Its simple posture and graceful dance make it look very beautiful. Its bright feathers and calm nature further enhance its beauty, which gives joy to everyone as a wonderful creation of nature. The stork is a graceful bird known for its long legs, slender neck, and elegant flight. It often inhabits wetlands and marshes, moving slowly and deliberately while searching for food. Storks are highly social, frequently seen in large flocks during migration. Their calm and patient behavior, combined with striking white and black plumage, makes them a symbol of peace and beauty in nature, admired by bird watchers worldwide. The scarlet macaw is a colorful, intelligent parrot with red, yellow, and blue feathers. Social and playful, it communicates loudly, explores actively, and forms strong bonds within its flock. The Mandarin duck is renowned for its stunning, intricate plumage, especially the male with vibrant orange, purple, and blue patterns. It is shy yet social, often seen in pairs or small groups. Preferring wooded ponds and rivers, it swims gracefully, digs for food, and exhibits gentle, charming courtship behaviors. The flamingo is admired for its graceful pink feathers, long slender legs, and elegant neck. Social by nature, it lives in large flocks, feeds by filtering water for small organisms, and often stands on one leg in a relaxed posture. The eagle is a powerful bird of prey known for its sharp eyesight, strong talons, and majestic flight. It soars high in the sky, hunting fish or small animals. Fierce yet graceful, the eagle symbolizes strength, freedom, and keen vision in cultures worldwide. Birds come in countless species, each with unique traits, sounds, and behaviors. The peacock dazzles with its colorful tail and courtship dance, while the nightingale enchants with its melodious song. Parrots are intelligent mimics, copying human speech, and hummingbirds hover gracefully, sipping nectar. Eagles soar high with sharp vision, hunting skillfully, whereas swans glide serenely across water, symbolizing grace. Woodpeckers drum on trees, searching for insects, and ducks quack cheerfully in ponds. Crows, clever and resourceful, adapt to any environment. From the kingfisher's swift dip to the flamingo's one-legged stance, each bird's characteristics create a fascinating, diverse world of beauty and wonder.